In the past, we used to think that the best way to treat concussion was to uh, rest and do no exercise until all of your symptoms went away. What we learned over time, though, is that a certain percentage of patients really won't respond to that type of advice or intervention. Um, Most people with concussion get better within a few weeks. Some do not, though. And what do you do with those folks? And the idea was to get athletes back to exercising, which is what they do and what they like after concussion, but in a controlled, safe, prescribed way. And we started to think of exercise as a form of medicine to help treat concussion. So rather than just having people do nothing and essentially lie in a dark room until their symptoms went away, we thought that controlled exercise might be useful for athletes in particular activity safely without delaying recovery from concussion.